In this video, I show you how to fix poshan tracker. This application is not supported on debug mode and rooted device. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then click on search settings, search for a developer option, click on developer option. Now scroll down, then find out USB debugging, click on it, then click on wireless debugging, click on it, turn off this. Now click on use developer option, disable developer option. Now open poshan tracker app. Now I hope that this method fix this application is not supported on debug mode and rooted device. If this new method not working, then your phone is rooted. First of all, unroot your phone, then try to install this app. Now I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.